Live. Today is 16th of June and this is AmericasScrum. Here is David, John and me, and let's start. Well, let's start with you, David. What did you do?
I have been working with Marion on the feature flags. The feature flags were merged into the main branch of local support. But as soon as I started pairing with Marion on another task, it became obvious that I'm not going to want to explain to everybody how to install the feature flags and then how to switch them on. So we need some kind of script that will do it. So we thought, yes, we'll make a rake task. But I guess what's blocking me right now is I'm not familiar enough with it, with how to make rake tasks, that I'm writing quite a lot of cucumber
But
boilerplate and rake
what's
boilerplate to make
what's
it
this?
happen.
What was it? Feature flag? What is it?
The feature flag is basically it's a boolean in the code that will switch on a piece of HTML or switch it off based on something that we set in the database, so that we can have code in our trunk that is ready to go but is switched off for the time being, so that when we're ready to roll it out, we just toggle the flag. We don't need to push any more code or merge any more code.
Okay, I see. And what are your plans?
Plans tomorrow to go and try and figure out a bit more about rake and try to make this go a bit more smoothly, so that I'm not doing more work on the rake task that I actually did to implement the feature.
Okay. Oh, Brian, what did you do?
Oh, hi, Paul. Hey,
Yeah.
guys.
Hi,
There
Brian.
is some strange noise from your microphone, like you.
Oh, that's just my plastic bag, I guess,
Yeah.
because I'm
The plastic.
holding one right now. Yes. Yeah, it's not my microphone.
Okay, your turn.
Okay. So I haven't done anything over the weekend, so I've got a lot of catching up to do today. Probably look at pull requests and things. Apparently lots of stuff happened over the weekend, and I have no clue about what it is, so I'm just gonna check those out. Yeah, I guess that's me.
Okay. Okay, John. So as I understand, you can only write, or you can try to say something very fast. Yeah, you should show us about your pair roulette. So you're working on this mockup. Active Hangouts. Chat. What is this chat about? Okay, the second page Scrum with hookups, yeah, understand. Prompt to Hangouts. Pairing after Scrum. Start time. But who created them? They created in our Agile Ventures projects page, or from where should these Hangouts created? Is this mockup for creating Hangouts or for joining them? Okay, for joining. You can create here. Okay, what about this Scrum roulette? So here is a query, one is seeking a partner. So, for example, if I want to create Hangout, I want to participate in pair programming, what should I do? I should go to pair roulette and choose a project. Query me. So I can click Quay Me and someone and what did appear to students? But what did appear when I click Quay Me? Added to acquire. Okay. Waiting time. Well, yes, that's interesting. That can work. So it's not about particular skills. It's only about project and. So you choose in project and you click Inquire Me, or yeah, definitely it should be this way. Okay, and active sessions you can join. Yeah, I think that's right. We should avoid skills for our for now because we don't have too many participants. Okay. Yeah, I think this is great, Hannah. Great mock-up. We can work with it. What else did you do, John? That's all. Okay, great. So, John, what are your plans? Maybe you want to pair today? I don't know. A better way to display the mockup for review. Well, actually, I don't know. What do you think, Brian? I think it's quite clear mockup.
If this is actually like independent app, you could possibly publish it on something like Heroku and then just share the link. It's only HTML. Okay. Then static pages. There's no Rails app like powering the backend, or is this just purely? Oh, okay, local static pages. I don't know. You could push it up into a Git repository and then share the link, so people can actually see the code. They can pull it down and run it locally. Perfect.
Yeah, I think that's what John actually has done.
Okay, then, well, I think that's the best way. Just I don't have the link to that.
As I understand, we have a user story in Pivotal Tracker for that John has created, and we have mockup. So actually, we can just vote and do this.
Okay, which story is that? Sorry.
John, can you show a story in Pivotal Tracker for that? Because I think I saw your user story as a text at least. Not in Pivotal Tracker. Why they're not in Pivotal Tracker? Okay, show these stories. Where are they? And where the text of stories? Mm-hmm. Oh. It seems like that story is not completely connected to your pair roulette. This is something really new. Or maybe initiator. Who clicks? Yeah, that's one about it. Okay. So actually we can create user story from that. What do you think, Brian?
Yeah. Have you discussed it? I'm sure Sam's probably more aware of this than me. But I guess you've discussed this with Sam already. Then if he's okay with adding that, because it's quite a big, it deserves an epic of its own. So I'd prefer to get Sam's approval.
Well, to be honest, in our Agile Ventures website, we have another project, PP Scheduler, and this original project, PP Scheduler, was right for these things. So maybe we should, and I think we have in Pivotal Tracker project for PP Scheduler. Let me look at it. Projects PP Scheduler. Not linked. Okay.
Not linked to Agile Ventures. Yeah.
Not linked to Pivotal Tracker. Well, actually, I think yes, we should create it in PP Scheduler, because this functionality can be done not exactly in Agile Ventures website if we want to. We can create it whenever we want, but the page on website 1, maybe it's a good idea to do. Okay, so we should create a new project in Pivotal Tracker. And who created them, Brian? Do you know? I think all projects were created by Sam.
Yes. Probably Sam. But what is your plans for this PV scheduler? Did you want to implement it as part of website 1 or as a separate tool that can be accessed independently and works independently from website 1? And website 1 will just use PV scheduler. Sorry if I am a bit out of date.
No problem. Well, we start working. Maybe you remember we start working on PP Scheduler first. Like I've decided to choose that project, and I thought like Scrum Master was for PP Scheduler. But after that, we start to working on it and decided that best things to do first is to create our website, because we need more members to participate. And when it was created, we decided that we actually don't need PP Scheduler because we have Scrums every 4 hours, and on Scrum we can decide about pairs. So for now, I think it's better to use our Agile Ventures website, and part of it make PP Scheduler part of it, like one of the pages, because well, I just think that we should promote our website to that things, and
it doesn't necessarily have to be, inside our website. We could just have the Agile Ventures name on the PP scheduler, even though it's a separate app. But I think we should discuss this with Sam, see what his idea about the big picture is for PP scheduler. I know he'd like to get involved. Ideally Thomas as well, but he's not around, sadly, at the moment.
But nevertheless, it should be created as a separate project, at least in Pivotal Tracker, because it's something different. Okay. Okay, John, thank you. Yaro, your turn.
Hi guys, I'm doing well. I've been working on website 1, and but nothing much happened. I was just refactoring some pull requests. That's it.
Have you seen these, John, mock-ups about PP scheduler?
No, I haven't yet. I just got back to the computer. I haven't yet.
They're really great. We should implement it, actually. We just need to decide with Sam we should create it as part of Agile Ventures website or as a different, and should we create a different project for it or not.
Personally, I think it should be separate.
Yeah, personally I think too it should be a separate project, but not. I don't know about website.
I think it should be a separate website. That's my opinion,
website.
actually. Yes.
Yaro, maybe you just make it quick, realize it, develop.
Uh, no, well, if I see the mock-up, although I don't think that's likely. Where is the mock-up? I see a repo. Is there like a picture?
Actually, where is the mockup on John screen?
Ah, I see. That's it. Right, I got it. Just wanted to see a
John,
picture.
what URL Sam proposed to the new website? Payronauts.com.
Listen, I don't get it. Is there like a lo-fi for a mock-up, or what are we talking about?
Well, we're talking about pair programming, the easiest way to do it, and John created mockup for it. It was, as you remember, that project PP scheduler where we decide how to implement it better to make it easier for collaborate people in
Yeah.
pairs. Yes, so there was some low file prototypes, but John
Ah,
created
that's
new.
it. I found it.
Yes, yes, it was actually original idea beside that beyond this Agile Ventures website. Yeah, but now we have good written user stories to it, a bunch of user stories and mockups. So we have all what we need to do. So we can make it as a separate project. Just decide with Sam that it should be like a different project and can develop it.
Why not?
Hmm.
Sounds good.
Yeah. And if we make it separate from Agile Ventures website, we can make it faster because we don't need uh, to merge it with a whole bunch of functionality that we already have.
Right. I'm just waiting for the pictures to open up.
Oh, you have slow internet.
I don't know, it's just taking time. No, my internet is okay. Uh,
Okay. John, what about your timetable? Have you had enough time to work on this project?
I think John's had a problem with his microphone today.
Yes, yes, I know. He's
Ah,
right.
All right.
How to answer it? Not sure how to answer it. Okay, interesting. Well, I mean, John,
Yeah, this looks cool. Yeah, this looks so cool.
yeah. I mean, John, that in every project we should have product owner, we should have and development team. Time to work this week. Okay, and you actually, as I seen your posts in Slack and your mockup, you are perfect product owner for this thing. So if you still okay, yeah, that's great way to go into details. Okay. Okay, so let's discuss it with Sam. But I think what we should do is first to discuss with Sam that we want to create a new project, not new project, but just start with PP Scheduler project with that bunch of user story and make it as a separate website for now. And that's it, and make John as a product owner because we can't count on Sam right now because Sam just don't have enough time to do it. I think that's
I don't know. I'm feeling really stupid, but I can't open any of the mockups. I just get the raw HTML.
What do you mean you
Yeah,
can't?
GitHub doesn't let you do that. You'll need to download it and host it.
Oh, I see. All right, okay.
You'll clone it and host it.
Yeah, all right, I got it. Okay.
I see.
Brian,
Yaro, what did you say?
I said Brian.
Brian.
Wait, you called me?
Yes, I called you Brian.
Oh, hey, hey, Arrow.
How was your hackathon?
Oh, no, it was great. Yeah, I'm still so tired after that because I didn't really sleep.
Huh, it
Really?
was on hackathon. Why did he?
Yeah,
Why you didn't save it?
I did, well, last minute to
Uh-huh.
people, or actually just Yarrow. But it
So
was good. Yeah.
have you done anything useful?
Done anything useful? Well, our project was just like some kind of game. And it was
Mm.
quite interesting. We used this service called PubNub, which is pretty much a like a they how do I describe it? Like a channel where you can send messages and then people who subscribe to that messages receive it. But it's kind of like a chat service, but we use that to do general communication, something like
Mhm.
that. So it was pretty cool technology, and we created a game out of that, like a multiplayer card game. Uh, Supposedly, the main idea was like to because in busy cities like London, everybody is always so busy and they seem well, at least the guy's idea was like he wants to bring a bit more life into the city. So we want to create a little game app that supposedly can work without signal. I mean, using like Wi-Fi. I mean, not Wi-Fi, but Bluetooth and short-range technologies. Although we didn't get that far, we just used the internet and this
Mhm.
public service. I was very happy with it because I used Angular all the way. Like it was a proper project in Angular, so I was quite happy with that.
All right, that sounds cool. That sounds
Yeah,
cool.
Okay, let's return to our Scrum because
yeah, go.
yeah.
We're already way
Sorry
over
about
time.
that. Yeah, well, yes, but I prefer not to make constraints about 15 minutes. I don't know why, but I think it's better to speak all what we want to speak. So not to make like Scrum after Scrums, which is very common thing in
Hmm.
corporate environment. Okay, my turn then. I didn't too much yesterday and on weekend, but what I found actually that we easily can find the clients for us if we want to, like non-commercial organizations, because I found some website where, for example, like volunteers opportunities, and many organizations want to create websites with some functionality for them, and if we really need more projects, we can easily take that projects. So we just need to decide when we really need them, because for now we have many projects and not too many members, but we can afford growing in members and be with projects. And also, I discussed with one of entrepreneurs in Australia about what we can do, for example, for new projects, and we will proceed our discussion later. So maybe I will bring one or two new projects, maybe, I just don't know, but like an idea. And that's it. My plans, well, no specific plans, except that making that AmericasScrum. But I'm really interested in these mockups for PP scheduler, and I think my plan would be to make a small discussion in Slack what should be our next steps, and maybe create that project in Pivotal Tracker and make sprint planning meeting and, well, all that activities that should be done with a normal Scrum project. That's my plans. Any other questions to discuss regarding to Scrum?
Yeah, I have a question, Brian. What's your plan about the pull requests?
I'm gonna review them. I haven't checked in on that since over the weekend, so I'm trying to catch up now. I have no opinions on it yet. What is there anything particular you wanted to bring up?
No, I just wanted to tell you that the discuss thing has been refactored to all the comments from all the people and from what we discussed with you on Friday. And a Hangout switcher was reviewed by more than two people as well.
Okay.
So
Right.
I guess those are candidates for a merge. And then yeah, and I would like to carry on to work on the Hangouts features. So I'm waiting for that to get merged. So
Okay.
if there are any concerns, just let me know. I will fix it promptly.
Sure.
All right.
I will
Okay.
look
Other
into that
questions?
tonight.
Other questions? Okay, when I switch off broadcasting.